For Biafrans all over the world, on behalf of Ekpa, of course, have today to commence, his appeal process where he has come to defend the Biafran government, to defend, his position before the appeal, court judges today in Finland. You can see that the atmosphere is already, very interesting. There's massive jubilation because I just hearing that International Criminal Court delegates have just arrived Finland now and went straight to Alexanderstop. From there they'll be heading to the court, Finland court, the Finland court. We had that, they arrived yesterday and scheduled to meet with the Prime Minister of the President of Finland, Alexanderstop. These ICC delegates have already sent a very powerful signal to the court and the Finnish government. And we like that some few EU states were part of the people who actually make sure that this thing arrives, since it has become very clear and certified that simonekpa will be opening defense, which has already commenced, and from what we are hearing, the court have already decided on what they are going to do. But there was massive jubilation when the ICC delegates, arrived Finland, and what we are hearing is that the case has already been determined, and that our Finland court has orders victory, simonekpa, and also look at the issue of that has to do with the process that leads to the first, that's September 2025, when the court passed that ICC's judgment, and it was discovered that there was no evidence according to what was presented. And before that was presented to ICC Delegates, it was the European Union leaders, a set of lawyers, championed by Dr. Masanga, who came together and decided that, they do not, this is a very straightforward case, and Nigerian agents are already in Finland, they are manipulating, and some of them, are from eastern part of the country, working with the state governors, most of them have sent delegates, but most of them too, are people who are also pretending, like you can see in that video, working to see how simonekpa, but they are not there for simonekpa, they are there to get some information, but the atmosphere is already fortified, the security atmosphere is already fortified, they can have access to the place, where that decision has been taken. But from what we are hearing from the ICC, there's massive pressure, everywhere is sealed, there's no infiltration, and that is one of the reasons why the court decided that they are not going to entertain any other exhibit or witness from anybody, be it Nigeria, and that was a heavy blow to Asuron. Now, those evidences, that's what I'm telling you, that, there's massive jubilation, that Ekpa has landed in victory. Those evidences that were actually presented by Nigerian government years back now, are internet-based, are evidence based on internet. Now, and they have called Nigerian Nigerian government delegates are not able to appear, because of the interest the court, the matter, the case has taken, especially within the EU nations. I'm talking about 27 EU nations now. Now, these are the reason why they are now mobilizing to find out from the president of Finland, Alexander Stubb, what actually transpired. I think Alexander Stubb is in a serious mess, because these are from what they have found out from evidences and everything. They discovered that based on this is not enough reason why can you determine judgment on somebody based on commentary on the social media without any direct evidence. And this man has been in Finland for years. There was no link between him and how come Alexander Stubb arrived at this. So he couldn't answer that questions, because he fears that anything he says, but what we are hearing is that there is tension, and there has the court is about to proclaim, has already proclaimed judgment, and the government of Finland, is already shaking because he didn't expect. We learned also that at a point, in the last sitting, that someone actually confronted the Alexander Stubb. What are you doing? How come you? This thing is like this. The truth. Why did you compromise? I remember that as at that period, the Nigerian government and Finnish government enter into oil and gas deal worth several millions of dollars, has been reported, this has shown that Simonekpa was actually a victim of political collaboration, based on economic negotiation. That's what this thing has actually revealed. And the update today, 17th of August 2027, shows that the Finland court has already granted Simonekpa orders, to work freely, just for them to process the whole thing, because there's no concrete whole thing. So and that was why when Simonekpa was coming in, there's massive jubilation everywhere because of the presence of the ICC Delegates. You know what it means? International Criminal Court delegates has already arrived Finland for Simonekpa. So and from what they were, I don't think the trial will continue anymore. But Nigerian government too are deploying massive resources, promising heaven and earth, especially, what they go, there was a plan that this thing should be extended in the next 6 months to allow Nigeria have their election, that the past presence would destroy anything that has to do, and they have invested over 1 trillion to the election process. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu want to retain his second term, go for second term. That if Finland can compromise, deal with them at this point in time, that means that's the end of Nigeria. Everything Nigeria has finished. Because, I told them that you are putting the wrong person in prison. That's what the message he sent to Alexander Stubb. That's the message also he sent to, Nigerian government. Now the whole thing is backfiring. Nigeria cannot come out to, present their own defense. Nigeria cannot come out to say exactly what happened. But through the backyard, they are looking for a way. But thank God for, Gumerus, I thank God for Tomini, and thank God for Dr. Alexander Stubb and other, lawyers from the European nations, that worked out modality, because they wanted to compromise. They have been calling, and promising these lawyers heaven and earth, and so the suspicion that most of them might derail, some witnesses are even running away. Some are even saying they cannot come out physically, they should do it in the other way around, and which the court rejected. So at this point in time, what is expected of the real thing that's going to play out is that the Finland court, after looking at everything, and the presence of ICC delegates now, they cannot be able to manipulate anything. They are watching. This is not Nigeria. This is not the case like the case of Mazen Namdekano, where Africans. No, they're trying to protect the image of European nations, European Union. At the end of the day, then how come that there is this a violation just because of a Finnish citizen, the first black man to be tried in European court for self-determination, which is not even a crime. Then evidence of happenings in Nigeria was also presented. So they gave Alexander Stubb, the ICC evidence, presented these evidences and was asking, at this point in time, what do you think you should do? And that is why everywhere erupted in Finland, when the news carried it that the ICC confronted the Finnish government and also confronted the Finnish court with the reality on ground and what do you expect people to do based on international law that you have every right to defend yourself at any point in time. So it's a massive victory. simonekpa has landed in another victory, massive victory, and there's jubilation everywhere in Finland, as you can see. People are wondering. So this is the first section now they have entered. So another one is coming up, and we are even hearing now, that the another section has ended. Now the Finnish court is about to entertain defense of evidence, of the appeal court, leave of appeal of the court in Lahti, Finland. So it has changed everything, So Ekpa, his confidence, his victory, is victorious. Yes, the court have seen it, that this case cannot, continue. Why? If Finland would have compromised, if not the international dimension this case have taken, now attracting ICC delegate, attracting EU lawyers, delegate from 27. Then how do you want to manipulate that? And already Nigeria would have brought in more exhibits, more petitions, to substantiate whatever thing they were doing, but the court said, no, we have given you enough time, and this man was not allowed. You had the whole day during the last court section that sentenced simonekpa to 6 years imprisonment. There was no defense. There was nothing simonekpa can do at that point in time. The judges now, with the international pressure, they now sit down and decide to look at this case, with other international legal experts, and find out that this thing was done in an error. If not, they wouldn't have granted simonekpa leave of appeal. It was international presence, international judges, lawyers, these legal experts that actually triggered that, no, this thing was done in an error, and they decided to grant him a leave of appeal. He has won the first one, the second one. Ekpa has won the first one, the second one, the third one. This is a massive, celebration, for him at this point in time, because they have no any other thing to present. It is simonekpa now that is going to, tell them, that they actually got the wrong person in prison, and that is what it is. Today we are staying glued to more developments coming from Finland. Now that we are also hearing that Nigeria, if Nigeria fail to present themselves, then there is connect dimension to it, and Nigeria and Finland. See, simonekpa is bent on dragging, especially Alexander Stubb, and Nigerian government to the highest level. And from the caliber of people who are surrounding him, with the interest of some world leaders, with the revelation that is coming from Israel at the moment, there's massive campaign in Israel currently now, and the media campaign is stepping up. Everything is just happening for good, for the recognition of Biafra. So these are the things that gives greatness and give credence to restoration of Biafra. Yes, it's painful that watching an innocent man like simonekpa go through this process over and over again, including Sam Nnamdi Kanu, but it's a big sacrifice, and we must recognize and appreciate that. In Europe today, 27 countries of Europe, Biafra is getting the highest massive attention, and of course some other countries are preparing too. You see what will happen the day an international fulfillment order is being granted to Biafra as a sovereign nation. Then you imagine that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and his team, of elders, played a very major role in what we are saying today. I want to say a big congratulations for that victory, for simonekpa, because the next thing we are going to see is a total declaration. And remember, it runs till 21st of this month, and that will be the end of the whole thing. But Nigerian government is insisting that releasing of simonekpa will stop 2027 elections.